Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to be showing you my June and July Ipsy bags because I didn't do June because I just got it too late and got July early, so you know, we just do it together. But anyways, do you guys notice anything different at all? I have lights. I would show you, but I can't because you'll be blind. But you can see. But yeah, hopefully this makes my future videos look a lot better. I'm still like adjusting how close they should be or how far, but so anyways, let's just get started. Because I'm doing two bags this month, I'm gonna definitely put in one of the corners, whether it's from the June bag or from the July bag, and because I have to mix and match so that you guys can see everything. And then things that aren't from the bags, I'll do it off camera and then I'll come back and then show you what's in the bag stuff being applied to my face. So one of the first things that I got from the bag was the SEBAMED liquid and body face wash, which at first I looked at it and I thought it was really weird because it says 100% soap and alkaline, I'm not gonna say that word, free. But when I heard soap free, I was like, what kind of washing is it doing? But anyways, it's basically supposed to be plant-based, and the type of cleansing that it does is supposed to mimic things that naturally happen in your skin. So I did try this out first. I cleansed my face with it and it was okay. Honestly, it was very gentle. It wasn't mind-blowing, but it worked, so it did its job. And then I got this coconut face mask, and I actually got two of them, and it's called the Caffeine Rush Nourishing Sheet Mask, and basically it's like an energizing mask. So definitely one that you'd want to use like in the morning when your skin's feeling really tired and whatnot. So I used that and I really liked it. So I just used it, I let it sit on my face for 15 minutes and it smelled so good. It smelled kind of like a latte, which makes sense because it has coffee beans in it. But yeah, it did make me feel energized. I felt much more tired before I used it, so I really liked this mask. And it's a sheet mask, in case you're wondering. Lastly, I went in with the Cake Desert Island Total to Die For Body Mousse, and it smells like coconuts and mango. It smells so good. I just used it on my hands. It smells so good. It does feel moisturizing. Honestly, just for the smell, I'd be like, get it. Just smell it. If you love all those island smells, this is what you want. Okay, so that was all the things I had to use off of camera. Obviously I can't do a face mask on camera, that would just be super boring. So let's move on to the things that actually have to do with makeup. So the first thing I got was the Benefit POREFESSIONAL primer. I did actually use this the other day. I thought it was okay. It wasn't like mind-blowing to me, but I'll test it out again because I only used it once. It's hard to really gauge if you like something or not, so just take like a pea-size amount. And I'm just gonna put it where I have pores. So my pores are usually right on my cheeks, near my nose, around my nose. And then the next product I have is a face product, but I gotta do some other face stuff first before I can use it because it's a powder. So I'll be right back with a fully foundation and concealer and brows on face. So now I have my base on. They're my brows. They came out super thick today. My foundation and my concealer. I learned my Burt's Bees foundation does not like my Rose Quartz Color Pop Spray foundation because it made it look awful and I had to fix it, but it looks fine now. So let's just move on. Look really funny, just foundation and brows. It's like, it's a look. I feel like my pores look the same. Maybe they're just too big for that pore filler. I don't know. Do you guys notice the difference? I feel like it looks the same. So another product that I got in my June Ipsy bag was the HANALEI lip treatment in Mauve Pink. Now it does have a bit of a tint to it, but I'm gonna put it on anyways because I do have another lip product in here which is like gonna cover this up completely, so we're just gonna use this as a treatment anyway. So it's meant to go on before, and like the tube that it comes out of, it's like a squeezy tube, so you have to like literally squeeze it onto your finger and then apply it. Whoa, that looks shiny. I can mix them with my foundation a bit, so that's why it came out like a more toned down color more than mauve. Because I used it the other day and it looked very mauve. I got this Laura Mercier powder, and it's a loose, translucent setting powder. So I'm just gonna tap some out onto the cap. If any would like to come out. Oh my gosh, these has 3 little holes and nothing comes out. We're gonna use it to set our under eyes, our concealer in our forehead and down our nose. And I'm using this brush, which is a, oh my god, what is that word? One moment, I can't really read the cursive on the brush, so I'm gonna look it up. I feel like it says FIRMA, but I'm gonna double check. I wish there was like a list of like the products in the Ipsy bag itself, because they always include like a card that like says what the theme of the month is. This card, but on the back it doesn't list the products. It lists like random stuff that I don't care. I was right, so it's called a FIRMA brush. It's the 102 Elite Blush brush, but I don't really use these shaped brushes for blush. I prefer an angled brush, so I'm just gonna use it to set under my eyes using that powder. So I just tapped some into the cap, as you saw me doing for 10 hours. And then I'll just dust that under my eye, on my eyelid, because I always prime my eyes by using concealer and some powder. I don't really use loose powders a lot, so we'll see how I feel about this. Also, we'll see how translucent it is. Oh, it is pretty translucent though, so that's good. I've used like 1 or 2 in the past and I'm like, translucent. Lies. We're actually going to go in with a blush that I also got in the June bag. I put it in a palette because it was a single blush. So I put it right here. You guys can see that. And it's an OFRA brush in the shade Melon. I used it once and it was a little too pink for my liking, but I don't think I used my stippling brush with it. I think I used it like a literal blush brush, which always puts on more product. So I'm going to try it with this. Oh gosh, it's even super pink when I use the stippling brush. I don't know. What do you guys think? I just don't think it's like a color that I like. The blush itself is like very pigmented, but I just don't think it's like a color that I normally gravitate towards, and I don't really go for like super pigmented blushes. It's just not my personal style. But tell me what you think about this blush color. So I got a dark purple shade, and I think I want to use it to line my waterline, because I can't really, I never use like these sort of pencil eyeliners to do wings. I like to use brush tips or felt tips. I find it easiest. I'm just gonna put this right in my waterline. Oh, that is very purple. That went on so easy. Oh my gosh, I really like this. Okay, next eye. Whenever I put it on, I like to like just press my finger down gently to like expose my waterline a little easier. So the last thing I got, which is totally not gonna go with this look, the last product I got in my bag was this liquid lip, and it's by Half Caked, and it's a lip fondant in the shade Girl Crush. It's like a bright orange red. Not a color I normally go for, but we'll see. Who knows, maybe it'll look really good. Or maybe it'll just be a look. But anyways. It went on really streaky. I'm gonna let it dry for a second. And then go in with another coat. It might be streaky because I have that lip, the lip treatment on underneath it. So, ugh. Just I'm really streaky. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna wipe it all off. That way the lip treatment can come off, and then I'm gonna try it again and see if it goes on a little bit better. Okay, I have that all off, the treatment as well, and I'm gonna go back in and try again. One, I really don't like this color, but also it still went on streaky. Just don't know. Ugh. You know what? I'm sorry. I just don't like it. I do not like this. It just went on super streaky. I don't know if you can tell. Like, I can let it dry and put on a second coat, see if that does anything. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Okay, let's go with the second coat. It's still super streaky. Unfortunately, I'm just not a fan of this product. Bags, and in case you're wondering what the Ipsy bags look like, this one was the June one, bright yellow. Can you see the different colors? It goes from like light to dark. And then for the July one, it was like this cool turquoisey bag. Hi guys, yes, I'm back. I took off the red lip. It just was not working for me. Honestly, maybe with a lip liner, it would look a little bit better. It did dry down to like a pretty finish, but because it was streaky, it just... I'll try with the lip liner. I'll let you guys know. But I want to do a quick review of all the products, just so I can say what I liked, what I didn't like when I was like in the middle of it. So the body lotion that smelled like coconuts was great. I love the smell. My hands feel nice. I don't feel like too greasy. The SEBAMED face wash, I feel pretty in the middle about it. I'm pretty neutral. What else did I get? The face mask. I love these. These winners. The Benefit POREFESSIONAL. In the middle. I'll say I'm in the middle for that one. The lip treatment I really like, but definitely something to use on its own, not to put other products on top of. The MERCIER powder, I really like that. That I really liked. Which sucks because I'm sure it's not cheap. I did enjoy this brush, so even though it's not a brush I normally would use or gravitate towards, I did like it. I liked it a lot. What else? What else? The eyeliner I really liked. Went on super smooth, really pigmented, lovely. Glided. It just glided. The blush, if I can open it. The blush was okay. It's very pigmented. If you're into a very pigmented blush, I think this would be something you would really enjoy. And then the lip fondant, I was just not really a big fan of, unfortunately. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!